What are the services we are offering? Well, of course, now here's some examples of contracts, agreements, and clauses we can help you with for your website and business, and we give you detailed advice on these matters. Of course, website legal documents, I'm sure you heard of some of these terms. Acceptable use policy, we do anti-spam policy, cookies policy, copyright notices, linking policy, privacy policy, and of course website terms and conditions. Then we got disclaimers, ebook if you should sell those or for download, legal disclaimers, of course, generally about liability and so on, medical disclaimers if you, let's say, sell or if you give medical advice in a sense. Or you disclaim that you do. Newsletter, if you send out, we can do disclaimers on that. Website, general website disclaimers. Terms and conditions, of course, if you have a blog, if you have a marketplace, an online shop, a website, of course. Acceptable use clauses, we do registration and accounts. That's when you have a shop, usually you wouldn't need that, or use IDs and password clauses, cancellation, suspension, breach, of course, very important, third party, trademarks, competitions, that data protection, also very important, assignment clauses, third party rights, limited warranties, limitations, of course, and exclusions of liability, very important, variation clauses, severability, law and jurisdiction, and statutory and regulatory disclosures. And if you sell online, we do, of course, the policy clauses on delivery and returns, very important, especially in terms of consumer protection and so on, ebook downloads. Delivery clauses, just some examples here. What about free delivery, geographical limitations, methods, periods, charges, tracking, receipt, signature, collection, and problems with delivery. Return clauses, that's again very important, especially in terms of consumer protection laws, procedure, exclusions, refunds, improper returns. Then different contracts for IT, so we have agreements on ULA, SAS, well, different licenses, software license agreements, software development, of course, agreements, maintenance agreements, and support agreements, contracts for goods. We have agreements of distribution, can be exclusive or non-exclusive, sale and supply, manufacturing. For services, we have consultancy agreements or contracts, commission, franchising, sponsorship, whatever you might need in that. Employment contracts, of course, non-disclosure agreements and so on, and intellectual property contracts, licenses, assignments, and of course always about domain names. And yeah, that's that. And as you know, our service is in general for the online entrepreneur. So if you have a business, doesn't have to be a new business, but you want to get your act together, especially internationally, in various countries, and want to make sure that your website and your business is okay. So our networks of lawyers and also mediators, in case you get into some dispute, it's always good to have also some mediators on at your disposal. And then of course here we have some more clauses that we do, and a short description, but anyway, you can look that up on our website. And so, but with our network, including if you should need with tax lawyer, which obviously is quite important if you have especially a multinational website. So anyway, yeah, let's talk next about, let me see which topic. We'll cover another topic, one of our